Air pollution is a growing major threat to our environment and to our atmosphere, particularly in the cities with high population, growing population, industrial zones, and high vehicle emissions. Many people are unaware of the air that they are breathing and its quality. While electronic air quality monitors exist, but they are too expensive, are not affordable easily, and not accessible or portable, especially in the under-resourced areas or rural regions. Our project presents a simple, affordable, and eco-friendly way to detect our air quality through visible color changes using bromothermal solution. The scientific principle involved in our project is the acid-base behavior of the bromothermal blue solution. The bromothermal blue solution is a reversible indicator that changes its color according to the acid and base substance it reacts with. If the bromothermal blue solution turns in the color yellow, it means that the air is very polluted and has high concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere. If the bromothermal blue solution color is green, then it means that the air is moderate in nature. And if the color of the bromothermal blue solution is blue, then it means the air is clean and the concentration of CO2 level in the atmosphere is low.
And the materials required for making our project are bromothermal solution because it changes its color in coming in contact with air. And we need a piece of cloth for absorption of PTP. Then we need distilled water for dilution. And we need a reference chart to show the pH scale and Ziploc bags for storage. And finally, we need a sewing kit to stitch the cloth on accessories like bags, wristbands, and hats and caps. Thank you. And the process in which we made our project are: first, we added bromothermal solution in a container. Then we dipped a piece of cloth in the same container which we added the bromothermal. Then we took the cloth and let it dry under the shade for some minutes. Then after drying, we have stored the cloth in a Ziploc bag. Then after that, whenever we need to use the cloth, we take it out and sew it on accessories like bags, handbags, or wristband, or anything you want. And the applications for our project are: first, in education, we can use it to teach students about air pollution in a visual and interactive way. Secondly, in public health, we can use it to make personal AQI monitors for people with respiratory problems like asthma. Then in awareness, we can use it to spread public awareness about how polluted the air is and how severe the air pollution gets during risky seasons.
We are planning to further enhance our project with digital tools such as smartphone apps that could read the color intensity and give us the estimate of the AQI in our air.